Introducing the Aromatic Anthropology. This was specially made for Jules, and I'm going to show you all the secrets inside. It's wrapped with sari silk, and here we go. And that says, between the pages of a book is a wonderful place to be. These are all botanical dyed pictures, and there's cards inside, and a little tab, and more cards, and coffee dyed paper, and botanical papers. And more little tags. And more tags. And more tags. Little doodads on top with vintage lace. This is vintage as well. I'm going to pop it right here. I'm not going to pull out all of the tabs. This is a fuchsia right here that printed really nicely. More tabs. Kind of got crooked there. There we go. More tabs. It says live with all your heart. More tags and another little tab that I embroidered. Some vintage fabric. More tags. Just check those out for now. Little butterfly. More tags. And this one's got a little thing on it as well. And this one says, beautifully beautiful, objectively, to be pleasing to the senses aesthetically. Live your story. And then this one comes like, this one opens up like this. And you have a spot back here. And it also opens up right here. And it says, sometimes it is okay if the only thing you did today was breathe. See that? There you go. And it's got another tag in here. And a little secret tuck spot back here. This is a little book she can write in. There's garden flora on it. Get a butterfly hiding back there. This opens up, so if she needs to write something here, she can. And tags. Aspire to inspire. Tags. A little tab with the 2 little flowers for the spirit sisters. Big tag and a little tag. More tags and a little mirror. These are all botanical things that I have dyed. The tags are done in digital so that she can write on the opposite side. More lace and a little doodad. And then a little envelope with things in it for her. And some extra little butterflies. And that's the end. It's 4 signatures, and it has been infused with oil, so it has a beautiful scent of Ylang Ylang, and that is the Aromatherapy Anthropology.